Hello guys, today in this video we will get Apex Legend Mobile in PC. So let's get started. First we need to download and install Gameloop, which is the emulator which we will be using to play Apex Legend. I chose Gameloop because it's one of the best emulator for Apex Legend and it's well optimized by Gameloop and comes with predefined keyboard mapping for the game, so you don't have to worry about keyboard mapping. Now download Gameloop. Start Gameloop installation. Now Gameloop has been installed. Now guys, log into Gameloop by using either your Facebook account or Google account. In my case I will be logging into Gameloop using my Google account. Now guys, you have to fill in these information. Now guys, I have successfully logged into Gameloop using my Google account. Now guys, we can download Apex Legend by searching the game. Click install. Now Apex Legend will start downloading. Now guys, after downloading, the game will begin installation and the game will start shortly after installation. Now guys, you have to choose the resolution, frame rate of the game and the picture quality. According to your computer specification you can select accordingly. After selecting, now you can click next. You can click next, and also guys, at the right side corner you can take a look at the default keyboard mapping. Now the game will start shortly after the intro. Guys, you will have to sign into Apex Legend either by using your Facebook account or Google account. I have signed into Apex Legend using my Google account. Now the game will start. As you can see guys, Apex Legend has started. Now you can play the game. To check the default predefined key mapping of the game you can click on the top keyboard icon. You can also adjust the key mapping according to your preferences. That's all guys, how to get Apex Legend Mobile on PC. Thank you so much for watching. All the link are in the description. And also guys, if you have any questions you can ask me down in the comment section below. I will respond to your question, and also guys, I really appreciate you guys considering subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.